that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Uganda in the office of the Deputy Speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Having taken the oath of the Deputy Speaker and signing in the oath book to be appended by His Excellency the President, the Deputy Speaker shall also receive the same instruments of power, showing that once he is in the chair, he has the same powers as the Right Honourable Speaker. So he shall receive the mace that will be followed by the Uganda flag. His Excellency is signing the oath that was signed by the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, appending his signature, as is clearly stated in Article 82.10 of the Constitution, and the Oath Act in Chapter 19 of the laws of Uganda. So His Excellency is now going to hand over the mace, the instrument of power, to the Deputy Speaker, to be followed by the Uganda flag. Parliament is a custodian of the Uganda flag, and this will be followed by the coat of arms. And after the coat of arms, we shall have the Constitution, and that will be followed by the rules of procedure of Parliament. And finally, the ceremonial robes of the Deputy Speaker of Parliament. So the senior officials from Parliament will now robe the Deputy Speaker, and he will have been fully empowered to run the affairs of Parliament as the Deputy Speaker of the 12th Parliament of the Republic of Uganda. Honourable members, distinguished guests, the Parliament of Uganda now has a Right Honourable Speaker and a Right Honourable Deputy Speaker of Parliament. And now that Parliament is fully constituted, as the Speaker comes back to his chair, I will quickly inform you that business will start tomorrow with the orientation of members of Parliament. Orientation will be at Parliament, so please ensure that tomorrow you are there for the start of this orientation. A few more announcements will be made after.